YouTube, I am a mess today. I just recorded this entire video and my camera was not rolling. So this is going to be take 2, which means I've got stuff open in front of me that I opened for you, not on camera. Let's dive in. Okay, so today we're going to put together clue number 9 for the Cottoncuts Stratford Puzzle Mystery Quilt. I have not received clue 10 yet, so although I'm behind, I still have a chance to be caught up before I get that final pink envelope with my Cottoncuts clue number 10 for Stratford. Before we begin, I just want to make sure you know what the Cottoncuts Mystery Quilt program is. It is what I like to call the ultimate block of the month program. So here's the thing. With most block of the month programs, you get instructions and you get a little packet of fabric and you still have to measure and cut before you can even sew. But Cottoncuts takes all of that out of it for you. They send to you a package that looks a little bit like this. You've got all of these pretty fabrics in the colorway that you chose and a single sheet of instructions. And in month number 1, you get a color card, which looks like this a lot of times, and it gives you little swatches of all the fabrics you're going to work in so that you can use this to figure out what fabric they're talking about here. The fun thing about this program is you really have to do the clues in order to know what not just the blocks are going to look like, but to figure out what the entire quilt top is going to look like. It's a big deal. You don't know what you're putting together as you're going along, and you don't have to worry about cutting or measuring or any of that stuff because they take it all off of your shoulders so that every month you get a pretty pink envelope and you open it up and all you have to do is sit at your sewing machine and just sew. So for me, I love this program. I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a block of the month program to do, this one is my favorite. I will tell you, I have tried several other block of the month programs. They're all over there in my active projects bin because I have not finished a single one. Not even the ones that I love. Haven't finished them. But what I have finished are the puzzle mystery quilts. There's something different about what they're doing here. So, the reason why I'm telling you about what this is like and why I love it so much is because in my package for clue 4 for the Cosmos mystery quilt, I got this. And this is chock full of advertisement for the next puzzle mystery quilt, which opens on December 6th, 2019. So if you're watching this video before then, now's your chance to mark your calendar so that you can sign up for that next puzzle mystery quilt, which will start shipping out in February 2020. So here's what we got. First, I've got a special card. I got a few of these in here that I can pass out if you want to sign up. I'm a little confused because it does say something on here. We'll get to it in a second. This is the card, and it reads, you can pause it if you'd like to see it. I'm super excited to share this 2020 Spring Puzzle Mystery Quilt with you. Sign-ups for Name of the Rose open on December 6th at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Join us for a fun, exciting mystery journey, and if you enter my name at checkout, we both win a prize. You can learn more about them at cottoncuts.com/about-PMQ. So if you decide that you want to do the Spring 2020 Puzzle Mystery Quilt and you want to let them know that you heard about the program from me, when you check out, just put the name SEW space BECCA, and it's just like my channel name. You can see it down below. Put that in the name when you check out. I don't get any money back, but you'll get a free gift and I'll get a free gift. It'll usually be just something a little small in your first packet. All right, so let me show you what the colorways are going to look like. This is the only thing that you get to pick. This is the Spring 2020 Puzzle Mystery Quilt. So I'll flash it on the screen really quick. This is what it looks like. You can pause the video here if you want to get a good look at those colorways. And just in case this isn't coming through well for you, I will put a link in the description box below to the page that has images of all of these colorways. They've got a lot of colorways this time. 4, 8, 14. 14 of them. You can learn about them at cottoncuts.com/get started. Get-started. I'll put that link down below. I'm looking at this and I'm trying to figure out which ones I'm going to do or which one. And there's two right off the bat that are jumping out at me. I'm loving this one and I'm loving this one. Yeah. Ooh, but I'm also really liking this one too. So those three are my favorite. And this one looks like it might be a batik. Yeah. Ooh, but I also like this one too. I don't know which ones I want to do. I want to do them all. Okay, so I've got to figure out which of these I'm going to do in spring. I'm definitely going to sign up, and I hope you join me on the journey. If you sign up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you signed up. And let me know which colorway you're going to plan to do or you are doing, and whether you're going to do it in a size large or a size small. Just as a reminder, the size large runs you $25 a month, and the size small, I think, runs you $15 a month. Okay. Enough about the name of the rose puzzle mystery quilt. Let's flip the camera around. I'm just looking to make sure I didn't chop any of my pieces. Let's flip the camera around. We're going to go to the sewing machine and assemble all of this. Alright guys, here we go. Clue 9 for the Stratford Puzzle Mystery Quilt in colorway Portia. Size large is finished. So I am now back on track. So I'm going to fold these up. I'm going to put them with my Clue 9 instructions. So this is kind of what I do with all of my clues. I've got it folded up. And then I take my piece of paper with my instructions, because it says Clue 9 on it, and I just kind of stick it down in here. Got to fold it so that it'll all fit inside. So sometimes that means folding it in thirds if it's a bigger clue. And now I've got a little packet for Clue 9, and I put that down with my other clues in here so they're all together. When you get to like Clue 8 or 9, it can be a little difficult to get them all in that bag, but they do fit. So here we go. And the last thing I put in this bag so I don't ever lose it is my fabric cheat sheet. So there we go. This is Clue 9, 876543211. I am finally all caught up with the Stratford Puzzle Mystery Quilt. Now I'm just going to wait for my border fabric and my instructions to assemble all of this into a quilt top. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all in the next video.